Hello, friends. I am here to invite you to the show today because we are going to be having a special offer, and here it is. We have a coupon code coming out today. It is our gratitude weekend. Thanking you guys for being so supportive of everything that we do. And so join me at 12 noon Eastern time inside my phone app today for the shopping show, and it's all about amazing Christmas gifts. Y'all, it's actually the best Christmas gifts you can give, right? It's the stuff that people that are flower farmers and gardeners would love to have. And we are introducing 3 new products today. They aren't really new to us. We're bringing them back, and you don't want to miss it. Look at this. If you've never used one of these, you're going to want to come today and find out what the scoop is on our scoops. But everything with the exception of gift certificates, courses, and the club are 20% off when you use your coupon code. You have to use the coupon code TAKE20. So join me inside the app, and let's just say you don't even know what I'm talking about inside the app. We have a live shopping show that happens on Fridays at 12 noon, where in season, that's where we show you all the flowers that are blooming on our farm and how to grow them and all that kind of stuff. So today, we'll have a couple of those, but it's all about the great Christmas gifts. And you know, we only sell the items that we actually use, right? It's only the hose that I use. It's only, you know what I mean? It's like that's what kind of makes us a little bit different than everybody else. And today we have such a great lineup. So we have several under $10 gifts. And then when you put the Take 20 off, it's even better, y'all. So don't forget to join me inside the app, because I do a giveaway every week. And the giveaway today is another $25 store credit. But you have to be in the app to be able to enter. You enter during the live show. We pull it at the end of the show, and you have to be here to claim it. And y'all, it's just so much fun. You get to comment with the other viewers and talk amongst yourselves. And my sister and I do the show. It's really a lot of fun. And we have some great gifts, as well as I'll be popping a Pabst Blue Ribbon today on the show. And for those of you that saw us do it before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And that is an amazing gift that we use that beer in. So friends, join me inside the app. So you can comment app here, and we'll DM you the link. Or you can just go to your phone's app store, search Gardener's Workshop, and download our shop app. We have a shopping app, and we have a learning app. The shopping app is where all of our online store is and where the live show comes from. And so I hope to see you in just 10 minutes, y'all. Grab your lunch and a beverage, and let's spend about an hour together, and we're going to have a lot of fun. I'm just looking around. Suzanne's going to be highlighting some of our arranging tools that we have learned through years and years and years of selling at live shows. Like in-person shows. How intimidated people are by arranging flowers. And we just have some of the really simplest little tools that you can give as a gift that really empower people to start enjoying their flowers and bringing them in. And Suzanne will be showing all about that. So friends, see you at 12 noon. And don't forget, this is the coupon code, TAKE20. And this is good on our website, our big website, as well as our garden shop, which is the one that's inside the app. And I cannot wait to talk to you about and give you the scoop on our scoops. All right, friends, till we meet again in 9 minutes. Meet me inside the app, y'all. Ciao.